Have you ever been startled by a loud noise coming from your garbage disposal? It can be quite alarming, and it often signals that something isn't quite right. Don't worry, let's explore some common causes and solutions together. First, check for any foreign objects that might have fallen in, like utensils, bones, or even glass. Use tongs or pliers to safely remove them with the power turned off. Next, inspect the blades and motor for any signs of wear or rust. A clogged or jammed blade can also be the culprit. Sometimes the issue might be loose mounting components or faulty bearings. Tighten up any loose parts and ensure everything is secure. To keep your disposal running smoothly, remember these preventative tips. Clean it regularly with ice cubes and lemon peels. Avoid hard items like bones or fruit pits, and always run cold water while the disposal is in use. If you've tried these steps and the noise persists, it might be time to call in the professionals. At Starline Appliance Repair North Vancouver, we're here to help you get back to a quieter, more efficient kitchen. Thank you for watching, and happy troubleshooting.